across the globe. Myriad gestures serve as humble greetings. Among these, the salute stands as a symbol of profound respect, tightly interwoven with the fabric of military service. In diverse military traditions, spanning different eras and regions, an array of methods has evolved to execute the salute. One such method is the present arms, a commanding gesture that unfolds in two distinct motions, skillfully employed by seasoned soldiers.
The platoon leader likewise renders salute to our distinguished board of judges and city officials. Once acknowledged, the cadets will perform the drill without any given oral command.
Of humanity, we believe in the fundamental equality of all, where virtue, not birth, defines one's worth. At Enriqueta, Montilla, the Esteban Memorial High School CAC1, we impart these values to every cadet. The principle of treating others as we wish to be treated epitomizes our ethos, recognizing that, in the eyes of both God and the law, we all stand equal.
The parallel lines signify our unity in diversity. Our differences make us equals. We are a mosaic of colors and cultures, distinct yet harmonious, held together by the same gravity that keeps us tethered to this earth. We may not share the same blood, but we all breathe the same air, a powerful reminder of our interconnectedness and shared humanity.
One who has control over the mind is tranquil in heat and cold, in pleasure and pain, and in honor and dishonor.
Ladies and gentlemen, our forthcoming formation is embodied by the anchor, a potent symbol representing both hope and unwavering resolve. In this transformative moment, our cadets have transitioned from carefree civilians to individuals who have dropped their anchors, embarking on a new chapter of discipline and purpose.
With hearts brimming with enthusiasm, they journey forth, laden with a cargo of hope, excitement, dreams, expectations, and aspirations. The beacon of hope that guides them in this uncharted sea inspires their commitment to chart the course they've planned and execute the dreams they've envisioned. Their determination remains steadfast, an unwavering compass leading them toward their vision.
What sets these cadets apart is the remarkable ability not just to exist, but to create, overcome, endure, love, and rise above their trials, transcending suffering to emerge transformed. These cadets form a unique community, defined by their unwavering commitment to respect, the foremost quality of a genuine gentleman. To them, showing respect to others holds immeasurable value. It is their genuine want and unbridled enthusiasm that have led them into this moment. In a heartfelt gesture of love and reverence for the people of Bago, the cadets humbly bow to all, conveying the profound message, we have never felt better than in this very moment.
The Citizenship Advancement Training aims to bolster students' social responsibility, their commitment to community development, and their capacity to maintain law and order while actively engaging in community affairs. This commitment is symbolized by the cross-rifle formation, representing the cadets as future school leaders in the reserve component of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Their readiness to assist the community, especially during emergencies, is a testament to their role as responsible citizens and future leaders.
MMHS has always been a radiant beacon in Pulupandan, akin to the ever-bright sun rays that steadfastly illuminate the paths of Pulupandanons. In a similar vein, Japan Hunters assumed the role of shining lights for the people of Pulupandan. As cadets, we are entrusted with harnessing the school's radiant energy, akin to the sun's brilliance, and embarking on a mission to disseminate light and hope throughout Pulupandan and its populace.
The Path Hunters assume the role of shining light.
Knowledge stands as a vital cornerstone of effective leadership. Cadets must amass the experiences, training, and information. Without knowledge, we stumble blindly through life, bereft of the capacity for judgment or sound decision-making. This profound message is encapsulated in the circular symbol, devoid of a distinct beginning or end, representing infinity, an embodiment of knowledge's enduring nature.
This circle is also akin to a resilient chain. Each link within the chain plays an indispensable role in our institution, ever present and within reach of the Pulupandan community.
As the cadets move outward and perform an intricate drill. The rifle passing. This exhibition beautifully signifies the value of sharing and mutual aid among cadets. Each cadet extends a helping hand to those in need. The essence of cooperation and coordination becomes apparent as they strive for aesthetically pleasing and synchronized results.
The heart, a central organ, crucial for survival, serves as the profound symbol of life, encompassing the spiritual, emotional, moral, and historically intellectual core of every individual. Just as it bestows life, the heart remains an enduring emblem of love. Within the very depths of every cadet's heart, their character resides.
Behold, this heart is a collective union composed of members and representatives spanning all grade levels, from grade 7 to grade 12, each ablaze with an unceasing fervor to serve the community. To the sons and daughters of Bago, we offer this heart as a testament of our unwavering dedication to your well-being.
Within each cadet's uniform beats a heart overflowing with love for family, friends, principals, country, and above all for God. Now, watch as the cadets maneuver, creating the letters I and U, with the heart centered between them. This formation silently conveys the sentiment, I love you, encapsulating the cadets' profound affection for the people of Bago who have graced this event, even with their presence.
As a testament to their love for you, the cadets will now present an exhibition, typically reserved for professionals. However, we must emphasize, please do not attempt these feats at home. letter V. This symbol embodies victory, signifying their triumphant journey through a multitude of challenges. The compelling presentation you've just witnessed serves as a testament to the myriad obstacles they've conquered to earn their place as path hunters. Their participation this afternoon stands as a victory in its own right, a humble tribute to NMHS and the people of Pulo Pandan.
This V also stands for Venceremos, which means we will overcome or we will win. The battle cry of the path hunters.
As this final display unfolds, it marks the nearing conclusion of the cadets' performance. Yet, let it be known that this is not the end, nor even the commencement of the conclusion. Instead, it signifies merely the end of the beginning, with many more chapters of their journey yet to be written.
Alas, every performance carries the bittersweet weight of its conclusion. In this poignant moment, the cadets gracefully shape the Greek letter Omega as the concluding letter in the Greek alphabet. This symbol signifies the formal farewell of the cadets, marking the end of their exceptional performance.
This sentiment extends to all who have graced this event with their presence. Until we meet again, we express our heartfelt gratitude for being a part of this memorable occasion. Thank you for being here to witness our performance. God bless us all, and mabuhay tayong lahat!
And gentlemen, the best in review.
Thank you so much, performer number 5 from Enriqueta, Montilla, Esteban Memorial High School.